I'd like to thank everyone for watching our channel. This channel is about our journey to retire early and sail the world, and the journey to get there. While we really love relaxing and chilling out, we're really just getting ready for the work ahead. The next few episodes will be smaller type episodes that focus on single repairs or upgrades. We have quite a few coming up, from replacing the head with a composting toilet, adding a new stove, new chart plotter VHF radar, and a Nimia backbone, solar charge controllers, inverters, and more. We're getting close to 100 subscribers. We thank you for watching, and we hope you'll help us out and click the subscribe and like this video. It really helps us build our audience. In today's mini episode, we will be replacing our old nasty head with a composting head. We did a lot of research on the topic, the good, the bad, the benefits, and the negatives, and decided to go with composting, and purchased the Nature's Head composting toilet. Some of the initial good parts is we were able to reclaim a ton of space under the V-berth. We don't have to worry about pump outs anymore, sloshing noises under the bed, or stinky gross hoses and leaks. The Nature's Head composting head is really nice, heavy, and well built. It installs quickly with only a small computer fan and a vent hose, as well as a couple brackets to secure it. It only has two areas, one being for urine and the other filled with shredded cocoa fiber that, well, composts. The end result is a compost material that doesn't smell like anything other than soil. The urine container detaches and is easily dumped. Removing the old head was the most unpleasant work I've done in a while. Not only was it 100 degrees in the boat, but trying to pull out tanks and hoses, which were all gross, wasn't fun. And yes, it exploded. As I pulled one of the hoses out, I was hit right in the face with a combination of fermented urine and antifreeze. After almost throwing up, I regained my composure and got through it.